Cactus is a type of plant that can store large amounts of water and survive in extremely hot and dry habitats. There are around 2,000 different species of cactus that differ in size, shape, color and type of habitat. Almost all cacti are native to deserts and dry regions of South and North America. The word cactus derives, through Latin, from the ancient Greek cactos, a name originally used by Theophrastus for a spiny plant whose identity is now not certain. Cactus are not flowers, but the areoles, which are sort of branches, are what give rise to the flowers. Cacti are not trees, as trees have woody stems which cacti don't. Cacti can grow up to the height of trees, but they have succulent stems that do not classify them as trees. Some common indoor cactus and some also can live outdoors. Christmas cactus. Christmas cactus is native to Brazil. This plant likes a lot of sunlight, but it prefers indirect light. Direct sunlight can easily burn the leaves of the plant, so windows that are facing east or north are best. Barrel cactus. Barrel cactus is named for a group of more or less barrel-shaped cacti native to North and South America. It is most often used for two large-stemmed North American genera, Echinocactus and Phaeocactus. Saguaro cactus. Saguaro cactus. It is native to the Sonoran Desert in Arizona, the Mexican state of Sonora, and the Whipple Mountains and Imperial County areas of California. The saguaro blossom is the state wildflower of Arizona. Its scientific name is given in honor of Andrew Carnegie. Star cactus. Star cactus, or the Astrophytum asterius, is a species of cactus in the genus Astrophytum, and is native to small parts of Texas in the United States and Mexico. Common names include sand dollar cactus, sea urchin cactus, star cactus and star peyote. Feather cactus. Mammillaria plumosa, the feather cactus, is a species of flowering plant in the family Cactaceae, native to northeastern Mexico. It grows to 12 cm tall by 40 cm broad. The clustering spherical stems, 7 cm in diameter, are completely covered in white downy spines. Old lady cactus. The Mammillaria family has around 200 species of cacti, most being native to Mexico. The old lady cactus is a part of the Cactaceae family. Being easy to take care of the old lady cactus, it is a much-loved choice to add to any garden, both indoors and outdoors. Bunny ears cactus. Bunny ears cactus, or the Opuntia microtices, originated in Mexico and is a denizen of arid desert-like areas. Growing bunny ears cactus is as simple as mimicking its native regional conditions. So if you have a dry, low humidity home and plenty of sunny exposure, bunny ears cactus plant might be the perfect plant for you. Blue columnar cactus. Pilosocereus is a genus of tall columnar cacti that can be found in warm areas of the world like Mexico, Brazil, and the Caribbean. There are about 50 different species of cacti in this genus, and although not all of them are that vibrant bright blue color. Ladyfinger cactus. Echinocereus pentalephus is a cactus native to Mexico and known in English as ladyfinger cactus. The name comes from the stems that are long and narrow like fingers. They grow from the center, erect when small, but more sprawling and spilling when longer. Paradea cactus. Paradea is a genus of flowering plants native to the uplands of Argentina, Peru, Bolivia, Brazil, Colombia and Uruguay. This genus has about 50 species, many of which have been transferred from Areocactus, Notocactus and Wigginsia. African milk tree. Euphorbia trigona, also known as African milk tree, cathedral cactus, Abyssinian euphorbia, and high chaparral, is a perennial plant that originates from Central Africa. Bishop's cap cactus. Bishop's cap cactus is one of 5 species of Astrophytum native to the highlands of central Mexico. The genus name translates as from Greek as star plant, a reference to the star-like shape of the cactus body when viewed from above. Fairy castle cactus. Fairy castle cactus, or the Cereus tetragonus, is native to North, South and Central Americas. It is a very slow-growing plant that will eventually reach 6 feet tall. The stems on fairy castle cactus plant are 5-sided with woolly-based spines along each plane. It is a dwarf, slow-growing cactus with many mid-green branches and branchlets that resemble the turrets of a castle. Each branch has 5 sides with short white spines growing along the ribs. An adult plant can reach about 1 meter in height. Moon cactus. High-botan cacti are native to desert habitats in various parts of South America. There are over 80 species found in Argentina, Paraguay, Brazil and Bolivia. They are a colorful group of succulents that lack the necessary chlorophyll to produce plant sugars through photosynthesis. The name, moon cactus, is sometimes used as a common name for the group, but in truth this name should be only applied to the yellow and orange clones. Thanks for watching, and God bless.